Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I'm Mangesh, and in this video we'll start covering grep and find command. So grep is a pattern match in Unix. If you want to filter out the lines where your text pattern is available, then grep command will come in the picture. So let's see. We have some files. I'll start creating some files. I will add some pattern in that file, and we will see how it works. So this is what my current directory, or we can create some files. Okay, ls minus lrt. Okay, this I'll do, and I'm creating one file and giving the name for that file is uh, process dot error dot log, like this. ps minus ef double greater than process dot error dot log. ls minus lrt, I have that file at the end. Let me delete some process. How many process dot txt I'm deleting it? Okay, so I have this file. Let me edit this file with the help of vi. I want to add some words here. Let me add escape I error. I'm adding error pattern in some file, some lines actually. Why? Because I wanted to filter out this error pattern. That's the reason. I'll put here capital error, like this. Error. Now I have saved this file wq. Actually, it is typing, but it is showing at the end. Okay. ls minus lrt. That file is at the end, and in that file, let me open that file with the help of cat command. It has some error, and I want to filter all those lines where this error is available. So grep command will come in the picture to do that. Grep error and your file name process dot error dot log. So what it will do, it will find the error pattern in this file, and it will print those lines where that pattern is available. So I got this line, but everywhere I got only small error, but there are capital error also available in these files. So if you want all kind of errors, small, uppercase, lowercase, or init cap, then you have to use grep minus I option. I for insensitive. Insensitive means what? This error pattern available in any format, uppercase, lowercase, init cap, it will get printed. All those lines will get printed. What is what file name? Yes, this is what my file name, and I can see this capital error, the small error, everything is filtering it out. So in this way, your grep command is working. Now ls minus lrt, I do have a number of text files over here, txt. So I want to filter all those lines where txt is there. So what I will do, ls minus lrt pipe. Output of this command will go to grep command, grep hyphen I txt, capital lower and init cap. All lines will get filtered out, like this. So grep command is used to search the pattern into Unix. Now, grep has multiple options. You can go to the man command and you can see it has multiple options, hyphen v, hyphen e grep, multiple pattern. If you want to see all those syntax, I'm going to cover, which is available in my notes. Let me quit this man page, and I'm going to my notes. Here we have another option, which is hyphen v. Hyphen v doesn't display that lines where pattern is available. Okay. In oh, in this file we have a error pattern available, lots of error pattern available. Grep, I'm just putting up arrow and I'm seeing. So I don't want this line. Excluding this line, I want another lines where error is not available. So that time this hyphen v will come in the picture. It means it won't display those lines where error word is available. But the problem is this capital error came na. This small error also came. Why? Because I have not used hyphen I option here, insensitive. Now, do ahead, go ahead and do it. Grep hyphen iv and enter. And now it's excluded those lines where that pattern is available. So it won't display hyphen v, where that pattern is available. Now what hyphen n will do? It will show you the line numbers where that pattern is available. Grep hyphen in, number n for number, I insensitive, like whatever patterns available, all error patterns, uppercase, lowercase, init cap, all supposed to be get filtered out. And that file name is this. Look at this, number 4 line error is there, number 6 line error is there. This is what number 24 where capital error is available. Okay, and if you'll remove the I again, it will exclude this 3. Look at this, only small. Then after I we have a C. It will show you count how many pattern available, how count of that pattern. Let's see, grep hyphen C error and that file name. There are 6. Yes, it was 6 actually. If you'll go ahead and see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 and this is 6. And if you'll do, just put I 9 because 3 are different, na? 2 are capital. This is what the capital error and this is what the init cap error. So total count will show how many pattern count is available in that file. Then here it is one of the important tasks, like I wanted to know this error word available in how many files in my current directory. In current directory I have a number of files. Okay, so what I'll do is I wanted to add error word in this file as well. So let me open that file, vi output dot one dot txt. Here I will add error pattern like this. Okay, only one error I have added in that output file. Okay, why? Because I wanted to know how many files that error word is available. Then uh, which file I can add? Tiger.txt. So once if you add in tiger.txt, it will get added in lion.txt as well, because those are hard link which ls minus lrt I. So these two are hard link, both has same inode number, na? So let's add it, no problem. Vi lion.txt, and let me add error here, and small error. Okay, done. Now in my current directory I have a number of files. Okay, I wanted to know that error available in how many files here. So that time this hyphen l will come in the picture. So ls minus lrt, no, grep hyphen il, I want uppercase, lowercase, all, star in current directory, whatever files are there, check in all. So it says that Amir, it is a directory, we are not doing anything. Okay, this animal, no, but history.txt, lion.txt, output1.txt, process error. In these files your pattern is available, that error word available in these files, it is showing in the current directory. Okay, and few files permission is not there, that error is getting. But whatever files are there and whatever your output is available in that file, then obviously it will show you error word available in this tiger.txt file, in this file is also available. And now you go ahead and check it, is it available, like grep hyphen I error output 1.txt. Yes, there is a error word available, that's why this file got printed here. So it will show you list of the files where you can give the directory path also, like in where you want to do the operations. I wanted to do the operation in my current, that's the reason I have give like this star, or else you can give the path like this as well, it will show you. Put star also like this, and it will do the, it will see only in files, not in directory. Next, if I want to do the multiple pattern match, I have one file here, ls minus lrt, and which file is this, or we can create one more file. Let me go ahead and open that process.log error. So what I'm going to do is I'll start adding some fruit names in this file. Okay, apple, mango, banana. Okay, banana, apple. I'll add mango, apple, banana. Okay, orange. Okay, so I have added some fruits name in this file. Apple, mango. Let me save and quit this file. Now in this file you have mango, banana, apple, orange. So I want to filter multiple patterns. So e grape will come in the picture. What you want to find? I want to find banana. Then I want to find mango. Then I want to find apple, and I want to find orange. All these fruits name under that file process.txt. Something goes wrong here. Okay, e grape. Let me add this single quote and see my output. Yes, it is printing all those lines where that pattern is available. If you'll give here like this, it will show you the line number. And yes, it is coming capital only now. So I miss my I option. So look at this. This capital banana, capital orange is also coming. So e grape will help you to pattern. Sorry, e grape will come in the picture to match multiple pattern in that file or in the Unix. Now let's add some blank lines in this file. Vi process. So blank lines means there is nothing present in that line. So I'll escape I insert mode. Two blank lines, two blank lines, one, two, one, two, three blank lines. So these are the blank lines in these files available here. Okay, oh, escape WQ. It is coming at the end. Save and quit. So in this file, I have a multiple blank lines. Okay, and someone asked me how you will remove the blank lines from this file, because one removing one by one is quite hectic if you have n number of blank lines. In this files I have a number of blank lines. Here three blank lines are here, here four blank lines are here, here two, here one. So for that we have some syntaxes like some symbols will come in the picture. This caret symbol, it will denote the beginning of the line. This dollar symbol, it will be denote the end of the lines. Then this dot match the single character. This star will come in the picture. And here I have given one question. I want to delete all blank lines from the file. First of all, you know how to search the lines, blank lines. So what I'll do is grape, caret and dollar. There is nothing present between this caret and dollar. So this is the symbol of blank lines to filter it out from your file. So look at this. These all are the blank lines got filtered. You don't know? See the number of that. Just put here hyphen n. Number 7 line is a blank. Number 8, that is also blank line. Number 12, that is also blank line. Number 13, that is also blank line. You open that file and you can see it. Process.log escape execute mode set nu. It will show you the number. See, number 7 8 blank line, number 12 13 blank line, number 20 21 blank line. So if you want to remove this, what you will do, grep hyphen v caret symbol dollar symbol and your file name. So it will display the output excluding those blank lines. And now what you need to do is you can save this output to the new file. Output remove blank lines output, remove blank dot output. That's it. So I want to remove the blank lines from this file. So in this file I have my exact output, and it doesn't have any blank lines like this. So this is what the syntax which we have to create. It's supposed to get in your mind how to create a syntax for such kind of questions. So do practice of grep command. After that we have one of the important command, which is a find. Find helps you to find the files in Unix, find the directories in Unix. Now interview, they will ask you what is the difference between grep and find. So grep, it will search pattern into a file, and the find will help you to search and find the directories and files into a Unix. So there are also a number of syntax available in find syntax, find also. So we will see, we have a locate also command. It will also do the same thing. It will also give the path where that file is available, but we will cover the find syntax over here, because I don't think locate command, it is not available. If you want to install that locate, what you need to do, you need to just perform this plocate package. Okay, and how to install the commands in Unix? Obviously you're supposed to have this apt package. For Fedora, there is a yum package will come in the picture for installation. In Linux, if you are using Ubuntu, then apt package install plocate. If apt package is not updated, then you have to update that package first, and later at the end you need to use this syntax, this, to install your plocate, means locate command. Plocate is a package of locate command. Let's go ahead and start the practice of find. uh, Here they have given how to find the files. So let's go ahead and I will add tiger.txt, lion.txt. These files I'm going to move, mv tiger.txt, lion.txt, and I'm going to move this file into Priyanka directory. It is here. Actually those files are already available there, ls. So that's the reason I got the error. But what I'll do is I will add those file into this Amir directory, or we can, do we have any more folder in this directory? No. So we will add those files into that Aishwarya directory. Mv, why I'm getting the error? ls minus lrt. Actually it is moved actually. Cd, if you'll go to this directory, you can see those files are available. Okay, so this tiger.txt is here, but I don't see lion. It was giving error for lion.txt, and that file is already here or not. Okay, we'll see what was that issue. But for now, I want to see that tiger.txt, where it is, where that file is located. What I'm going to do is I'll create one more folder under this directory with same name. We have a new folder here, and here I'm going to create mkdir tiger.txt. I have given the extension, but I'm using this mkdir command, so it will create the folder of this file. ls minus lrt, this is what one more directory you have created. Now go to your home directory, and I wanted to know tiger.txt available in my Unix or not. So what I'm going to do is find dot means in current directory. Dot means this is what my current directory. It will do the find replace only in Mangesh directory, and how many files are and directories are available in this, it will go and find it, and it will give me the path where that file is available. So find dot, do search in Mangesh directory, current directory. What you want to search, with the help of this name, what are available in this directories also and files also, please tell me. It is telling you that tiger.txt available in Aishwarya folder, it is available in Priyanka directory, it is available in new directory as well. But I don't know which is a file and which is a directory, because I have created one directory na. So if you want to see the directory, type D. It will only search the directories. Type spelling I have mentioned wrong. So it will tell you, see, this is what the directory, and these are the files. These are the files. Type voice search, it will show you all. Find, and if you'll give the name, it will show you the list of the files, also list of the directories as well. But if you'll give the type F, it will show only files. If you'll do type D, it will show only directories. Name. So here you can give the path where you want to do the find. I want to do the finding only in Mangesh directory. So I will give like this only, so it will give this. You don't give type option, it will show you the list of files and directories all, but here quite confused now which is file and which is directory. So go ahead, use hyphen type F for files and type D for directory. That's it. Let's go ahead and see what is this. You can do the search with the help of inode number as well. For that you need to use inum. Let's do and find ls minus lrt I. Here you can see the inode number. I option only for inode number. Cd ai ls minus lrt I. Now I have this tiger.txt and this is what the inode number. Let me copy this. I have to copy that. Let me go to my home directory, and now I will do find in my current directory with inum means inode number, and this is what my inode number. I am getting three files. Why? Because this is what my hard link na. Hard link will create same inode number for all files. That's the reason. And yes, all are the files. Type F, these are the files. Type D, yeah, it is not directory. That's the reason it will not. These are the files. That's the reason it is coming. So with the help of inode number also you can do the searching for files, for directories, but you're supposed to have the correct inode number. That's it. Then how many files has all permissions, like pwd, where you can see the permissions of the files ls minus lrt. In the first column you can see the file types and permissions. So I wanted to know how many files I have in this directory which has all the permissions. 777 means all the permissions, read write execute. So what I'm going to do is I want find do finding in my current directory, and it's supposed to have permission what 777. So it will give you list and file both, but I want only files na. And you can give the path also where you want to do home mangesh. See. Uh, I want only files. So what I will do, type F, these are the files. I want to see directories, type D, these are the directories has 777 permissions. You can go ahead and check it. Let me show you. I'll go to this ls minus lrt. This path is there, and yes, 123.txt has all the permissions. Look at here, 777 777. So you can do the find replace find, oh sorry, only finding with the help of permission wise as well. User wise search also it is fine. Here my syntax is wrong, printing mistake, but user wise search. So pwd ls minus lrt. Here you can see the username who is the owner of that file. So for few files Ramesh is the owner. Look at here. So I wanted to know how many files are there where owner name is Ramesh or user is Ramesh. So dot dash user, okay, and username is Ramesh. So these are the files in my current directory whose owner is Ramesh. Home Mangesh. So it is giving type F for files. What happened? User Ramesh. Okay. User Ramesh. I want to see the file. So I was not able to type F. Let me see. Type F. Why it is not coming? Acha, I have all the. I don't have any files with Ramesh. That's the reason I was not able to get it. See here, do we have all those? Uh, yes, these are the directories actually. See, that's the reason type F was not giving any output. Okay, so you can see how users files also. Same way, you can see a group wise search also. Okay, so for few directories there were find. Here I can put group Ramesh. So it will show you the same directories are available, and you can change the with the help of chown command. You can do it. ls minus lrt. I have this file.txt and nohub.out. So what I'll do is chown Ramesh for nohub and file operation. I'll give the sudo at the start. It is asking me my password. I have done it, and I have changed the ownership for these two files. Where it is? See, and now it will give me the this. Where is my syntax? This is what my syntax. Type D, group Ramesh. I'm getting D for directory, F for files. See, group Ramesh, user Ramesh. Like that, also you can do the finding in Unix. Next, this is very important. I wanted to know how many file size is more than 10 MB, less than 10 MB. In my I have n number of files which size is less than 10 MB, but I don't have any files which is more than 10 MB. So if I'll do plus 10 M, I will not get any files. See, find dot dash size plus 10 M. I will not get anything. But if I'll do, I have a number of files and directories which size is less than 10 MB. So it is showing all list. You can see WC minus L, how many count of that? 147 files and directories both actually. And you will do type F for files, type D for directories. So this syntax, plus 10 means more than 10 MB, minus 10 means less than 10 MB. And this is what the A time and M time. A time means these are the files which you have not accessed from last within one day, and M time, these are the files which you have not modified in last one day, within one day. So I wanted to find out which are the files which I have not accessed from last 10 days. Find dot dash type F because I want files, and A time minus 3. A time minus 3. These are the files which I have not accessed since last 3 days. These are the files which I have not accessed since last 3 days. Here if you put the M, these are the files which I have not modified since last 3 days. Like this, it will show you which are accessed within 3 days, and oh sorry, it will show you which you have accessed within 3 days, and these are will show you which you have accessed and modified within last 3 days. These are the syntax will come in the picture, and there are some questions and answer I have given. How to find the files using the name and ignoring the case. That I options I told you in the grep command. I name means what? It will show you all files in capital letter, lowercase, init cap, everything. Okay, and in this I wanted to cover one more important questions, which is this. I want to zip all those files which are not accessed since last 1 year. I want to how to do it. Like here pipe command will come in the picture, this x arguments will come in the pictures. Like I'll show you the output of this. uh, just note down the questions. I want to zip all those files which are not accessed from last 1 year. uh, Now I want to cover a few things. I wanted to check the files which I have not accessed from last 7 days. So for that, the syntax would be find dot, because I want to do check finding in current directory. For files, I will do this a time plus 7. It means it will show you the files which you have not accessed since last 7 days. Okay, because I recently checked on chat gpt also, it is giving you the same. I missed my space here. Okay, these are the files which I have not accessed since last 7 days. From last 7 days I have not accessed it. And if I'll do the minus here, it will show you the files which I have accessed since last 7 days. So just you guys can also use this platform. It will also give you the exact output. Find, you need to give the path type if you want files hyphen a time plus 365 days. It will show you the files which you have not accessed since last 1 year. It will show you the files which you have not accessed since last 1 year plus 365. But I do not have any files. But if I'll put 30, I'll get the list of the files which I have not accessed since last 30 days. These are the files. Okay, uh, then this is very confusing, guys. If you'll put minus a time, it will show you. I in my notes you can come and you can see. If I'll do minus 1, print the files which are accessed within 1 day. Minus m time minus 1, find the files which are modified within 1 day. But if I'll put plus here, if I'll put plus here, it will show you, it will show me the files which I have not accessed or which I have not modified since last 1 day or since last 3 days, like that. So, and now my question is, I want to zip all those files which I have not modified since last 7 days. For modified, we need to put m. So these are the files which you have not modified since last 7 days. And if you want to create an archival of these files, for archival, tar command will come in the picture, but you cannot give tar like this cvf and output dot tar. You will think that output of this command will take by this and your files will get archived in this. No. If you want to execute tar or zip command after this operation, then x arguments will come in the picture. If you'll see my notes, in that also I have mentioned that thing. That is a workaround actually. Let me open my notes. Where is my pdf? Here is my pdf, and look at here. Yeah. uh, X arguments you have to use like this, or pax argument you can use for perform this operation. Let me see. If I'll not use this, then it will give me the error. No, it is not working. But if I'll give here x args, x a r x args, so what will happen? The output of this, it will properly get stored in this. If you'll not use x argument or pax, it will give you the error like this. So it will give me the files which I have not accessed since last 7 days, and it will get archived. Ls minus lrt, I have a output dot tar, in that everything got archived. So I want to show you ls minus lrt and my syntax. If you'll go history, I have used this x arguments because this syntax was throwing the error, and workaround for that is this. You have to use this x argument. What will happen? Output of this, it will automatically or successfully get stored into this. And this was what my questions. I want to zip all those files which I have not accessed since last 1 year. If it is a 1 year, then this number will go to 365 plus 365, like that. A time for access time, m time for modified time. So in this way you can do practice of find and replace commands. Here we have given the difference between grep and find. Grep is used to search for string into file. Find is used to search files and directories. Then grep command, we have a grep syntax. Find has find is a file locator used to search certain files and directories. Grep used to searching patterns. So just go through this, do the practice, and practice is very important. In this we will cover only grep and find, otherwise this video will get very lengthy. And for next, I'll start covering the sed command also, and few more important commands will come in the picture. How to split the files if your file size is very huge, that I will cover in the next video. Thanks for watching this one. Thank you.